How to freeze frame in Davinci Resolve. So here I have an example video that I'd like to freeze. Now let's say I want to freeze this frame right here. So what you want to do now is click this slice tool right here. What you want to do is just slice this video right there. Click the arrow key on your keyboard like that, so it goes right next to the other frame. And there you go. And as you can see, this is one singular frame. What you want to do now is just drag this like that. Right click this section that we cut out. Go to the change clip speed. Once you're here, select freeze frame and click change. From now, you can drag this as much as you like. And as you can see, the frame is frozen. And here it unfreezes. And there you go. That's how to freeze a frame in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.